Hello guys, welcome and let's do this question. I did the question. Evaluate square root of 48 plus square root of 42 over square root of 35 plus square root of 40, given answer in the form of square root of A over square root of B. And so guys, this now comes to square root of 48 plus square root of 42 all over square root of 35 plus square root of 40. Guys, for us to rationalize the denominator, guys, we multiply by the conjugate, which is now square root of 35 minus square root of 40. The same way, we come and multiply the numerator. And so, guys, now we evaluate that. This now is going to be, you multiply square root of 48 by that, and the square root of 42 by that. That is this term. And so, therefore, we shall have square root of 48 multiplied by square root of 35 minus square root of 48 multiplied by square root of 40 plus, now we come to square root of 42 multiplied by square root of 35 minus square root of 42 multiplied by square root of 40. This now gives us, for this function, guys, this comes to 35 minus 40. This is as a result of, guys, when you expand this, you get difference of two squares. And difference of two squares for square root of 35, square root of 35 comes to 35, square root of 40, and square root of 40 comes to 40. And now from there, guys, we continue. We can now break down our terms. That is for 48, that is 6 times 8. And so we shall have square root of 6, square root of 8. Coming to 35, that is square root of 7, square root of 5. Minus, again, square root of 8, square root of 6. For 40 is square root of 5, square root of 8. Plus, square root of 6, square root of 7. That is for 42. Square root of 5, square root of 7. That is for 35. Then we have minus square root of 6, square root of 7 for 42. And square root of 8, square root of 5, that is for 40. That is for square root of 40. And so for this denominator, it shall be negative 5. Guys, we continue on. And so guys, when we examine this problem, we find that this term here is the same as this. And because one is positive and the other negative, we can cancel. And then we are left with these two terms, so I can write negative. Here we have square root of 8, square root of 8 gives us 8. Then we are left with the square root of 6, square root of 5. Plus, for this we have 7, square root of 7, square root of 7 is 7. And then we have square root of 6, square root of 5. This all over negative 5. Guys, for this term we have here, we can say let y be equals to square root of 6, square root of 5, because that is common for both. And so this would be like writing minus 8y plus 7y. Guys, that comes to minus y. And y is square root of 6, square root of 5. So we shall have 1, which is minus square root of 6, square root of 5, all over minus 5. Guys, we can cancel the minus. And when we do that, we shall be left, for the numerator, you shall have square root of 6, square root of 5. And for the denominator, Guys, we can write 5 in terms of square root, and that comes to square root of 5, square root of 5. And now we can be able to cancel square root of 5 here and square root of 5 here. And so we shall be left with square root of 6, square root of 5. And guys, this is our solution. And thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.